how to cancel a reservation on booking.com as a host. You want to go to the booking.com website and just click on list your property here. So we're taken to the host portal, and then we will just select get started now. And here you will need to sign into your account. So I'm just going to sign in. All right, so once you have signed in, you want to click on your name in the top right and go into view my property. And here you will see your active properties and what's happening today. So you want to find the one that you want to transfer. And once you find the guest registration, which you want to transfer, you can also use ID to help find it. You will click request to cancel or cancel reservation. If you must cancel, you will click request to cancel reservation. If it's allowed, you may see cancel reservation directly. You will choose a reason and confirm. You want to select the appropriate reason for cancellation, such as overbooking, emergency, and just confirm. And you will wait for guest confirmation. Sometimes, depending on the policy, the guest may need to accept the cancellation. You can check for confirmation email. You'll get a message or email once it's canceled, and you can keep it for your records. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.